Welcome back. Hey, in this video, we're gonna give our top 2 lessons for beginners on learning how to kettlebell swing. Number 1.
What is it?
Move your body, not the bell.
Really important lesson. A lot of people don't seem to understand the body is what makes the kettlebell move. You know, you hear kettlebell swing, that the kettlebell is the thing you want to swing. You immediately grasp it with your hands. You're thinking arms, you're thinking back. People don't seem to get this for quite some time. If you flip it around and conceptualize the swing as connecting a kettlebell to your body and then moving your body effectively, and we're going to get into that with our next tip, the kettlebell is going to swing as a result to that. So you're not trying to actively swing it, you're trying to move your body well, keep everything connected, know your positions. That kettlebell, if you move well, is going to do what you want it to do regardless, it has no choice.
Period. And that brings us to number 2. Move quickly.
You got to move quickly.
Quick.
One of the number 1 things that we see is really slow. So people get the form down, they get the timing, and they don't move through the motion as quickly as possible. We're going to do just a very simple exercise to show you what we mean. So go ahead and get into the bottom of a jump. Okay, so there's the bottom of the jump. He's not going to go any lower, and then go to the top part of a jump. Okay, now notice he's not in the air. A jump starts at that bottom position, it ends here. A jump is going to be determined by how you apply force into the ground while you're still in contact with the ground. Okay, so the jump is going to happen, but it happens down here, not up there. That's why he's not currently hovering in the air right now.
That'd be sweet.
So we've got a bottom position and we've got a top position. So you just covered that. Why didn't you jump?
Well, maybe I didn't press the ground away fast enough.
It is fast enough. Most people think hard enough. A lot of people think, oh, if I just push harder, I'm going to swing more, or I'm actually going to make the bell swing, or I'm going to jump. In this case, it's not the case. You have to cover the bottom position to the top position as quickly as possible. Gravity is accelerating downward. It's pulling him toward the earth. He's got to jump fast enough in order to accelerate away from gravity. If he does that, he's going to jump, but it requires quickness. When people get their kettlebells, they don't understand that they've got to move quickly. They don't understand that in order for anything to be ballistic, you've got to make it accelerate quickly. And that's really what we're after. Technically, a kettlebell swing is classified as a ballistic, so we want to get that bell moving quickly. We want to use our bodies. Tip number 1, to move the entire bell. And 2, when you're in the position, get your bottom position. So let's actually incorporate the arms now. Like you're going to swing, okay? There's your bottom position and hit the top position. When you span those 2 positions quickly, the bell is just going to swing. It's what happens. When you understand those 2 things, you're well on your way to figuring out how to swing a lot better.
Yeah. All right. So now, if you want to move your body well and push the ground away fast, start by jumping. Okay? Simple. Down.
Yeah, we will pattern a deadlift, we'll pattern a squat. We want to make sure that people know how to move, but we use jumps a good bit to teach people how to swing, because otherwise you don't have a frame of reference for getting ballistic. You don't understand what ballistic actually is. And very often when we put everyone through the positions, we teach them how to connect the bell and say, okay, do that like you're jumping. Suddenly a swing happens.
Yep, and guess what? You don't have to jump and touch the rim or anything like that. Just enough so you understand that it's got to be fast. Anything else?
Nope, that'll do it.
All right, do those 2 things and swing away. Download our app, Bells by Iron Revival, where we've got some exercises and some programs you can run right from that.
Yes, sir.
All right, stay strong, y'all. Howdy.